Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Understanding LLM Pre-Training and Instruction Tuning. How ICE learn to behave like us. Let's kick things off by understanding what large language models, LLMs, like ChatGPT actually are. For a developer, think of an LLM as a highly sophisticated text processing engine or an API endpoint that can understand, generate, and manipulate human-like text. It's the brain behind intelligent chatbots, content generators, and coding assistants, opening up immense possibilities for new applications and features in your projects. They matter because they're transforming how we interact with technology, making interfaces more intuitive and powerful. The first major step in an LLM's life is pre-training. Imagine you've got an incredibly fast reader who can absorb billions of pages of text in a very short time. We expose this AI to an enormous amount of text data from the internet, think books, articles, websites, code repositories, forum discussions, and more. During this phase, the AI doesn't have a specific job. It's simply trying to understand the fabric of human language, how words connect, the rules of grammar, and the relationships between countless concepts. It's like downloading the entire internet into its brain. The core mechanism behind pre-training is surprisingly simple: predicting the next word. If the AI sees the dog ran after its task is to guess ball, cat, or squirrel. It does this over and over again, billions of times, across trillions of words. By constantly guessing and correcting itself, the AI learns statistical patterns, common phrases, factual knowledge, and even logical reasoning embedded in the text. From a developer's perspective, imagine training a predictive text algorithm on every piece of text ever written. That's the scale and complexity we're talking about. After pre-training, the LLM is a language powerhouse. It has an incredible grasp of grammar, vocabulary, and a vast amount of general knowledge. It can generate coherent and grammatically correct text, summarize articles, or even write code snippets. However, it still doesn't quite understand what you want when you ask a question. If you say, "Tell me a joke," it might just continue a conversation about jokes rather than actually telling one. It's like a brilliant but socially awkward genius who needs clear instructions to apply their knowledge effectively. This is where instruction tuning comes in. If pre-training was downloading the encyclopedia, instruction tuning is sending the AI to etiquette school and giving it a specific job description. The goal here is to teach the AI how to be helpful, harmless, and follow human instructions. We want it to understand prompts like, "Summarize this document," "Write a poem about space," or "Explain quantum physics simply," and respond appropriately, not just continue a stream of related text. During instruction tuning, the AI is fine-tuned on a smaller, high-quality dataset of explicit instructions and desired responses. For example, it might see pairs like, "User, what is the capital of France?" AI, the capital of France is Paris. This teaches the AI the format of a conversation and the intent behind questions. From a developer's perspective, this is like creating a suite of integration tests where you specify exact inputs and desired outputs, making your API, the LLM, predictable and reliable for specific tasks. A crucial part of instruction tuning often involves human feedback, reinforcement learning from human feedback, or RLHF. This means real people interact with the AI, provide prompts, and then rate or rank the AI's different responses based on helpfulness, accuracy, safety, and adherence to instructions. This iterative feedback loop is essential for aligning the AI's behavior with human values and making it truly useful and safe for a wide range of applications. Much like user testing helps refine a software product. To sum it up, pre-training is about building the fundamental knowledge and understanding of language, the raw intelligence of the LLM. Instruction tuning is about molding that intelligence into a functional, helpful, and safe tool that can understand and execute specific commands. Both are absolutely critical steps in creating the powerful, conversational AIs that are changing the technological landscape, enabling developers to build smarter, more intuitive applications. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.